8.3 Covalent bonding. In covalent bonds, atoms share electrons. There are several electrostatic interactions in these bonds. There's the attraction between the electrons and the nuclei, repulsions between electrons, and also repulsions between nuclei. 8.3 Lewis structure of a compound. Given the Lewis structure for the elements nitrogen and fluorine, predict the formula of the stable binary compound. A compound that's composed of two elements is binary, that forms when nitrogen reacts with fluorine, and then draw its Lewis structure. The Lewis symbols for nitrogen and fluorine reveal that nitrogen has 5 valence electrons and fluorine has 7. We need to find a combination of the two elements that results in an octet of electrons around each atom in the compound. Nitrogen requires 3 additional electrons to complete its octet, whereas fluorine requires only 1. Sharing a pair of electrons between nitrogen, one nitrogen atom and one fluorine atom, will result in an octet of electrons for fluorine, but not for nitrogen. We therefore need to figure out a way to get 2 more electrons for the nitrogen atom. Nitrogen must share a pair of electrons with 3 fluorine atoms to complete its octet. Thus, the Lewis structure for the resulting compound, NF3, or nitrogen trifluoride, is shown below. The Lewis structure in the center shows that each atom is surrounded by an octet of electrons. Once you are accustomed to thinking of each line in a Lewis structure as representing 2 electrons, you can just as easily use the structure on the right to check for octets. Practice exercise. Compare the Lewis symbol for neon with the Lewis structure for methane, CH4. In what important way are the electron arrangements about neon and carbon alike? In what important respect are they different?